Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of automotive legends and modern marvels. Today, we're talking about something truly exciting, the revival of an American icon with the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427. This isn't just any car. It's a full-size muscle sedan that pays homage to its classic roots while packing in cutting-edge tech and raw power. If you're a fan of big, bold American cars that turn heads and deliver thrills, stick around because we're going to break this down from every angle. Starting with that striking exterior, let's kick things off by taking a close look at the front end of this beast. Right away, you're greeted by a wide, aggressive grille that's impossible to ignore, with the legendary SS badge sitting proudly in the center like a badge of honor. Flanking it are sleek LED matrix headlights that give off a futuristic, almost menacing vibe, perfect for lighting up the night or staring down traffic. The bumper features large aerodynamic intakes that aren't just for show. They help with cooling the engine and even generate a bit of downforce for better stability at high speeds. And don't miss those functional hood heat extractors, which add to the muscular look while venting hot air from that massive V8 underneath. Overall, the front screams performance and heritage, blending retro cues from the original Impala SS with modern sharpness that makes it stand out in a sea of bland sedans. Moving along to the side profile, this is where the Impala SS 427 really shows off its long, low, and wide stance. It's got that classic full-size sedan presence, but with a sporty edge. The silhouette features sharp character lines that flow from the front fenders all the way back, giving it a sense of motion even when it's parked. You'll notice a subtle nod to the iconic Coke bottle curves from the 60s models, updated with sleek, aerodynamic shaping for better efficiency without losing that muscular flair. Gloss black side mirrors and skirts add a touch of aggression, and the SS badging on the fenders lets everyone know this isn't your average family hauler. Rolling on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, the side view emphasizes balance. It's got enough length for comfort, but a low roofline that hints at the speed lurking within. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pulling up to a stoplight, this profile turns heads and evokes the timeless American muscle vibe. Now, circling around to the back, the rear end keeps the aggression going strong with quad-tip exhausts that promise a throaty roar every time you hit the gas. The fascia is clean but menacing, with a subtle deck lid spoiler that helps with high-speed stability without looking over the top. Full-width LED tail lights wrap around seamlessly, providing bright, modern illumination, and right in the center, you've got the chrome Impala script paired with the SS logo for that final touch of class. The diffuser below integrates those exhausts perfectly, and the overall design ensures the car looks planted and powerful from behind. It's a rear view that says goodbye with authority, whether you're leaving a car meet or blasting off into the distance. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Impala SS 427 strikes a perfect balance between race-inspired performance and everyday luxury. The cabin is driver-focused, with premium leather-wrapped sport seats featuring contrast red stitching and embossed SS logos for that extra flair. Optional carbon fiber trim takes it up a notch if you want a more track-ready feel. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels great in your hands, and ahead of it sits a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that's fully customizable, showing everything from speed and revs to navigation cues. Dominating the center is a massive 13-inch infotainment display running the latest Chevy software, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a performance telemetry suite that tracks your lap times, forces, and other data for those weekend track days. Soft touch materials cover the dash and door panels, making it feel upscale, while the rear seats offer generous space for passengers with plenty of legroom and headroom, perfect for road trips. Throw in a 14-speaker Bose premium sound system that pumps out crystal clear audio, and you've got an interior that's as comfortable for daily commutes as it is exciting for spirited drives. It's not overly flashy, but every detail feels purposeful, from the ambient lighting to the heated and ventilated seats, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter the weather. When it comes to performance, this is where the Impala SS 427 truly shines and lives up to its legendary name. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8 engine pumping out an impressive 505 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, enough to rocket this big sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. Pair that with a choice of a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission or an optional 6-speed manual for those who love shifting gears themselves, and you've got a setup that's versatile and engaging. Power goes to the rear wheels through an electronic limited slip differential, ensuring maximum traction whether you're launching off the line or carving through corners. The suspension features GM's advanced magnetic ride control system, which adapts in real time to road conditions for a ride that's firm when you want to push it but compliant for highway cruising. Braking is handled by high-performance Brembo calipers that haul this beast down from speed with confidence. And the steering is tight and precise, giving you surprising agility for a car of this size. On the open road, it feels composed and powerful with a top speed capped at 175 miles per hour, plenty for any enthusiast. Fuel economy isn't its strong suit, averaging around 50 miles per gallon in the city and 22 on the highway, but that's the trade-off for that authentic V8 rumble and exhilaration. Whether you're dragging at the strip or tackling twisty back roads, the performance delivers that pure American muscle experience updated for today. Shifting gears to pricing, the 2026 Impala SS 427 makes this kind of power and style accessible. Without breaking the bank, it starts at around $59,000 for the base model, which already includes all the essentials like the V8 engine, premium interior tech, and performance suspension. If you opt for extras like the manual transmission, carbon fiber accents, or advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, you can push it up to about $68,000 fully loaded. That's competitive when you compare it to other performance sedans in its class, offering more space and heritage for the money than something like a Dodge Charger or even some European rivals. Of course, prices can vary by region and dealer, and there might be incentives or packages for things like enhanced audio or winter tires, but overall it's positioned as a value-packed option for muscle car fans who want something practical yet thrilling. If you're considering picking one up, here are a few suggestions to make the most of it. First off, if you're into manual transmissions, definitely go for the 6-speed. It adds that extra layer of engagement and fun that's rare in modern sedans. For those in colder climates, consider adding all-season tires or even the optional all-wheel drive variant if Chevy offers it down the line, though the standard rear-wheel drive is perfect for dry roads and track days. Customize the interior with the red stitching and carbon trim to really MP up the sporty feel. And don't skip the performance telemetry if you plan on hitting the autocross or drag strip. On the flip side, if fuel efficiency matters more, look into any potential hybrid rumors for future models, but for now, this is all about that pure V8 experience. It's a great pick for families who want excitement without sacrificing space, or enthusiasts upgrading from older muscle cars. Just be prepared for the attention. It draws crowds wherever it goes. Wrapping things up, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 is more than just a car. It's a bold statement that American muscle is alive and thriving in the modern era. By blending the raw power and timeless design of its predecessors with today's technology and refinement, Chevy has created a sedan that's versatile, exhilarating, and full of character. Whether you're drawn to its aggressive looks, luxurious interior, blistering performance, or approachable price, this Impala SS 427 proves that legends never die, they evolve. If this review got your heart racing, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car content, and drop a comment below. Would you drive one of these every day or save it for weekend blasts? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay revved up.